Pushes it to deep right field. Goodbye.
First pitch swinging.
Oh, and first pitch crushing. Oh, man. Lean into it.
Flip down early. Fastball up. Base behind it.
Ohtani crushes one towards center field. Driven back to the wall. Out of here.
Only one base runner on the 2-out walk to Suzuki last inning. Did Shohei get him? Get going to right and gone.
Shohei Ohtani. Shohei Ohtani hits a high fly ball to right field. To the wall. Goodbye.
Of the extra base variety. Swinging a drive out to center field. That one's well struck. Straw running out of room. He leaps and it's gone. Shohei legging it around the pillows in record-breaking time, just like he did in his last homer. He wasn't taking anything for granted.
Shohei drives it. Deep right center field. Oh, Shohei. Gone.
Oh, Shohei got that one. He got that one. Haniger measures it off, but it's not coming back. Number 8 for Ohtani.
He's got 8 home runs and 20 RBI.
Center field. Shohei sayonara again.
And on the first pitch, a big ball out to right center field, and that one ain't coming back.
Like punched out 7, had 1 hit allowed. What does he do? Hits a home run.
Tried to go out there again with the breaking ball. Shohei hits it toward the monster, and gone!
Shohei, high fly ball to the corner it goes, into deep right field. Ohtani. Here's Shohei Ohtani at the plate. Oh my goodness, Shohei Ohtani, what can't he do? Wow.
Had a little trouble with.
He does it again, a mile high, toward the wall. Shohei Ohtani. We'll see what gives on the 3-2. Here it comes. Ohtani blasts one down the right side, a line drive, and that ball. And it's not their first matchup. Shohei gets to know his friend again with the home run.
They were up there trying to do as much damage as they could.
There's damage right there. Shohei, way,
sayonara. Where did that land?
Oh, Shohei got him! Got him! Yeah!
Well, and that one.
Did it again. Got him!
Shohei drives it to right field, toward the wall. Gone!
And he rockets his fastball. How quick those hands were. He had their 4 straight.
Shohei Ohtani to the opposite field. Gone! Now chance MVP down below and up above.